What's up everyone, my name is Aditya and welcome to HD Tech. And guys, in this particular video, I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing and an overall review of the UAG cases. Well guys, if you don't know, then UAG stands for Urban Armor Gear, and this particular company is in existence for like 5 to 10 years. So basically, this particular case manufacturer is making top quality cases, and from the initial time, from the iPhone 4 onwards, all of the cases that they make are having really good durability. Well guys, literally like everything Apple Pro has dropped this particular case with every single iPhone, and still majority amount of times you are getting a completely fine smartphone after a 50 feet drop test. So from that time onwards, I always wanted to buy a UAG case, but now I got it for a very nice discount. Well, already I am having a Samsung Galaxy Note 9, so it is a couple of generations old device, and hence I got it with a very good discount. And guys, trust me, like I have never ever seen such a rugged case. Well guys, I have seen lots of premium ones, I have seen great bumper cases, but with this particular case, it is a completely different story because it is having an industrial body design. Well guys, before getting to the entire cover, let us have a quick unboxing of this particular product. Well guys, I personally consider myself as a clean user, so I'm not that rough and tough user, and I barely drop my phone. Well guys, occasionally, like once in couple of months, I drop my smartphone. So overall, for a user like me, I don't need such a thick quality cover. But on the other hand, there is a specific category of people who always drop their smartphone, and if you're working in any areas like construction, then having like this cover on any of your smartphone is pretty much mandatory. Well guys, the biggest problem with this particular cover is the overall price tag. Well guys, in the Western market, anyone can easily buy this, but in a market like India, spending 2000 rupees or 2500 rupees is a really big deal. So that's the reason why this particular cover is completely underrated. Well guys, with this particular video, I just want to say that if you're having that budget and if you can spend 2 to 3000 rupees behind a smartphone cover, then UAG is the company to go for. And guys, trust me, by no means they have sponsored this video. I have bought this particular cover with my own money, but still guys, as a kid, before 5 to 6 years, I always wanted to buy this particular cover because I'm now pretty much tension free. Like even if I drop this phone from like 20 to 30 feet, I'm damn sure that the phone will be in a very good condition. Well guys, with the help of this short video, I just want to say that for the majority amount of people who cannot afford this particular cover, there are better alternatives. There are more value for the money products. But if you have no problem paying 2 to 3000 rupees, then definitely go for this particular cover. And guys, trust me, like the entire looks of it, the entire bumper and the overall protection is completely next level. Well guys, I hope that you have liked this particular video, and guys, I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.